Hey everyone, in today's video we are going to see how you can switch between multiple accounts on YouTube Studio in a Chrome browser or maybe any other browser via which you're operating. Also do check out the YouTube Launch Playbook, which is written with pure intent to help YouTube beginners know all the tips and tricks with screenshots and step-by-step guide to set up and launch your channel the right way and also grow it in a way that is very organic. The link is in the video description. To begin with, the first thing you have to do is go to Gmail, and if you have multiple accounts for different YouTube channels, log in by using this feature of add another account, or if you already added, all will appear over here, right? So this is basically you logging into multiple Gmail accounts in your single Chrome browser. If you have multiple channels in the same email ID, then this is not required. But if you have different email IDs for different YouTube accounts, then you have to log in by default for in the Gmail or Google account in your browser. Once you do that, go to YouTube Studio and click on this icon in the right top of your screen. And you can see this option of switch account. Once you click on this, all the accounts which are logged in, that is Gmail, and the YouTube channels linked to it will appear. Now, if you have multiple YouTube channels linked to a single email ID, it will appear under one email ID. But if you have different email IDs, so you can see over here different email IDs for different accounts, all will appear over here. And you can then switch simply by clicking on it, and it will switch to the respective account, right? So that's the way you can switch accounts, and you can simply switch back as well. If you have any queries, do drop in the comment section and subscribe to our channel YouTube with Saave for more such information for your YouTube journey.